Hi, I'm Rafiq Siddiqui, Chairman, Founder, Principal of Holy Mother English School. I believe every child who comes to this world deserves an assurance, a guarantee from us of safety, security, and love. And that has been continuously provided to our children through Arpan's wonderful program. And it has been fabulous working with these amazing people led by that awesomely amazing Pooja Taparia ji. And it has been a decade now working with them. And I feel it's very important to have a program like Arpan in a place like Malvani, where a child's rights are abused rampantly by the near and dear ones and people known to the child and all. And we feel every school worth its salt should have this program, and it has made a great impact not only on the children. They have become aware of their rights, they have become confident to take the issues to the concerned authorities whenever they come across any infringement on their rights. Our teachers have become mindful of the responsibilities that lay on their shoulders to take care of these children. And I wish to congratulate Team Arpan for doing yeoman service to children and the school for the last 15 years. And I would like to request them to infect as many people as possible with their professionalism, with their passion, and with the love for their work ethic.
Congrats for completing 15 years. अर्पण इस एनजीओ का और एससीईआरटी का बहुत दिनों से संबंध है। बहुत कार्यक्रमों में अर्पण एससीईआरटी से जुड़ी हुई है। खास करके चाइल्ड राइट्स और सिक्योरिटी इस ट्रेनिंग बुकलेट में और ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल में अर्पण का बहुत अच्छा सहयोग रहा है। कोविड के कारण जब ये ट्रेनिंग हमने यूट्यूब लाइव ऑर्गेनाइज किया, तब अर्पण ने इसमें बहुत अच्छी मदद की है और इस ट्रेनिंग के लिए स्टेट से एक साथ 1,20,000 टीचर सम्मिलित हुए थे और इस ट्रेनिंग के बाद भी टीचर, स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट का बहुत अच्छा प्रतिसाद इस ट्रेनिंग के बारे में मिला। फिर से अर्पण के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू।
Akanksha and Arpan have been very closely associated for past many years. Though I am a trained social worker, and with all the trainings that I've undergone that Arpan has done for our team, it has been so beneficial and so fruitful that today in turn we have been able to empower our parents and our children that we are working with. Today, if any kind of situation regarding child sexual abuse or any of these episodes ever occur in the community, our parents are aware and are willing to, without any fear, go ahead and lodge a complaint and stand for their rights. Thank you, Arpan, for this wonderful training that you have offered our team, and wishing you all the very best for your future. Thank you.